we're in the whip at the moment. This little car, this little Chevy Spark right here, is turbocharged and shit.
So what car are you gonna get?
It's a truck that came straight from Mexico. Yeah, most modern vehicles are pretty bad nowadays. The older vehicles are better, like, you know, transmission-wise and motor-wise. But I mean, now since everything's electrical, you know, one thing goes out, causes a chain reaction, you know, causes all kinds of fucking problems. So here we go. We just got here. This is a lot we keep all the vehicles at, you know, make sure everything's safe. We don't leave anything outside the shop because it's pretty tough around this area, unfortunately, you know, but oh well, we'll work around it. So that's a whip right there. That's a turbocharged Spark right there. We're planning to lift it, you know, maybe in the future. And this is the little truck right here. Wow, it's a 20. Nah, I don't think that's a 2500, is it? They added that on.
That's a 2500, dude.
It's a 2500, I guess so. They were built differently back then, I guess. Not really, you know, in the know of these older vehicles because, you know, I'm a millennial, man. So, all right.
Listen.
Almost died in the process, but hey, it's working, you know. No AC, no fucking suspension. Drives like a fast go-kart, you know. But what? Something is smelling. You smell that? Those are the brakes.